Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. So there's these two hot praise bass line which I'll be sharing with you today. Very powerful. Okay, so if you're interested and you want to groove like a pro in church or in any program, I recommend this lesson for you. Okay, I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So as I said earlier, I'll be giving you two massive praise bass line. Okay, you can use this in church, you can use this in any service, you can also use this in your own personal groove. Okay, all you need to do is to learn and master and then play it out there. Okay, so let's look at the first praise groove. For that, I won't just teach you how to play it, but how I came up with this bass line. Okay, the roots of this bass line. Okay, so now let's look at the progression. Okay, the progression da 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 2 to your 5 and 1 6 da 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 2 to 5, then 1 da 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 2, just like that. Okay, so any song that is your own type of praise song, or you can just learn the bass line, forget about the progression, but you are using this progression to learn the song. Okay, there is what I normally call the root and octave. That is your major root. You know that it's like you're playing the mode where you start from your 1 and end on the 1. Okay, but you're just going to play the root and octave, so you need to master that very well on your fretboard. So if in case you have your 1, you have your octave 1, so your root 1 and your octave 1. The same to your 2, 2, 2, to your 3, 3, 3, to your 4, 4, 4, to your 5, 5, 5, to your 6, 6, 6, to your 7, 7, 7, and back to your 1. Okay, so if you haven't learned the modes, DM me, I have more lessons on that. Okay, so master the 1 2 3, or let's say the do re mi on the 4th string. You understand? That is the root note only. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1, descend 1 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. We do that same on the 2nd string. Okay, starting from the octave. So you're going to master the octave major note. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. You descend. So now when you've mastered both of them, you play both of them together. You descend. Okay, this was what I used in the praise. Okay, so now let's jump to the groove, or let's say to the bass line I used in the praise. Okay, da 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 2 to your 5 and 6, da 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 2, that is to your 6. Okay, so when you're going to a 2 to a 5, da 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 2, that is to 5 flat 5, then to your 1 7 1. Okay, so the ghost note is working there. Okay, so that is 2 3 ghost note to your 5. You understand? So 2. So when before you play your 7, you do 1 ghost note, then 1 1 1 3 1 7 6. Now you are now on your 6. You understand? Okay, now to your 2. So you do a 1 ghost note before you play the mi mo re, that is 3 3 flat 2. So then what you did on your 5. Okay, then back to your 1. On 1 ghost note, That is two flat and your 1. So da 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 da. You understand? Okay, so now this is where I will play the root and octave. Okay, so I did something like this. First of all, let's learn this. Okay, so if you don't want to get confused, so when you do, you have your 5 here, because when you play your root 5, you have an octave here. You understand? Okay, but if you maybe you're playing a C, and if you play a 5, you don't have an octave, just do it straightforward. But once you have a 5 here, 1 2 3 4 5, you can, and you have an octave here, you can continue the groove here. So that is 1 1 2 2 3 5, then 4, then I'll be going to my 5, so I played 6 5, then I'll be going to my 1, so I played 7 1. You understand? So 1, I descend from my 1 to my 6. Okay, so now to my 2, just like that. So okay, so when you play the root and octave like this, it's boring. So this is what I do. Every octave I pluck it 2 times. You understand? Okay, and also try to slide. You understand? So use this as an exercise so that you master it well and you can use it on the praise. So da 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 da. So it's like you're doing 1 2 3 1 4. If you're playing it 1 note. You understand? So this is where you bring in the roots and octave. Okay, so 1 1 2 3 5 4 6 5 7 1. You descend the same way. 7 6, then 1 goes note, 3 3 flat, 2 4 flat, 4 sharp, 5 2 2 flat, 1. So that is the main point. Okay, so you can just practice the first one. Go. Very powerful. Okay, so now let's jump to the second one. That is the last one. This one somehow confusing, but I'll make you understand it. Okay, da 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 da. You're starting from your 2. Put that in mind. Da 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 da. You need to learn that. Okay, so this one I wasn't doing 1. I wasn't doing the octave. I wasn't plucking the octave 2 times. What makes this bass line very nice is the sliding. And I wasn't doing root and octave to all of the progression. Maybe I'll do once and also play a simple note. That's it. Okay, and the sliding tune is working. So da 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 da. You see, just like the South African bass line. So 2 5 Da 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 da, 2 2 5 5. Then to your 3. Then to your 6. So 2 2 sharp 3 5. It goes no. Then you slide to your 6 root and octave. You understand? This you need to understand the progression very well. Da 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 da, 2 5 3 6 6 6 2 5 1. You just capture this progression alone and work on this. Da 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 da. Just do it like this so that you'll be building up the concept in your mind. Okay, 2 2 5 5 2 2 sharp 3 5 6 6 3 3 flat 2 2 5 5 2 2 flat 1 1. You understand? Okay, so the main groove. So this is what I do. So when I end the first one, okay, so let's look at that. Da, 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 da. It's like you're still in your 5, but now you're playing on the 4. Then you go to your 3. So 2 1 1 3 3. The ghost note before you move, before you descend to your 2 3 3 flat 2 2 4 4. Then to your 3 2 2 sharp 3 5 6 6. What I didn't tell you that when you are plucking, when you are sliding to a progression, do a ghost note. To your 6. So what did I play on the next note? 6. So I have a root and octave here. That is my 1, my 2, my 1 and 2 here. So I could do that. Okay, so 6. I was going to a 2 progression. So that is 1 2. Okay. So this is how the bass line goes. 1 2 2 1 1 1. Root, octave, root, then 2 2. Okay, then 5 5 2 2 flat 1. You understand? Okay. So do. You understand? Okay, so you just need to understand the progression of the song. You're good to go. Okay, then you doing something like that. You can start putting it in the song. Okay, I just want to show you this groove, and okay, you can also bring it in your own type of song, and there you go. Okay, so even take the jam to the next level. It's just your root here. It's just your 1 you have here, your 1 you have here, your 2 you have here, your 2 you have here. If you combine them, you're making a massive groove. So okay, 1 1 sharp 2 2 2 2 2 flat 1 1. Just like that. Okay, so learn, master it very well, please. That's the most important thing. Okay, then play it. You cannot play it throughout the whole song, but when you come across a 5 progression, a 5 to your 1, then you can continue with your own bass line, or you can keep on using the slide and the root and octave. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.